Hello and good evening, good afternoon, or morning, depending on where you're watching me from. I've, Today, I would like to show you this shrub, and I'm thinking it is what it is. This is the mtantanyerere, and my maid told me that it's also called mtantanyerere in Chichewa. So this is a shrub which my grandmother and others in my village used to make bananas ripen quickly in an action we call kuvundika ntoshi. So I want to get this. My banana, I removed a banana at my house, and I want to use this just like we used to do it in the village. So I'm just going to get this shrub. That's how it looks, and we are just going to cut these shrubs, and we are going to use them kuvundigira toshi mtanta nyerere. I don't know why it's called like that. So there are several of them growing around here. I had to move from my house. It's around more than 500 meters away from my house. So move to another shrub there because this one I've cut it all. It will regrow back. Here is another one, and I'm just going to cut it like I did the first one. These are sustainable methods of making your things ripen instead of us using chemicals like ethylene. We are not going to do that. So we'll let the bananas ripen naturally with a bit of help. So since it's getting a bit colder, these are going to provide some warmth to the banana. Until I'm going to show you when I'm putting my bananas with these shortly. Bye. Yeah, these are the bananas. We've already taken them off the mother plant. This is big. This is from my backyard. I planted a few banana plants, and we left it for too long. It started to split. Yamba wazika because it has stayed too long. So bananas we have. Then we have a sack. In this sack, here's the sack, and we have our shrubs. This is the mtantanyere that we went to get from the bush. Yeah, close to, not too close, but around the vicinity. So I'm going to put a few of these at the bottom. These help in keeping heat. So then I'm going to get this one and put them like that. Another one like that. And some more somewhere would cut well. So, and like so. See how I'm packing them, and be methodical, making sure that they are well arranged. And when I was planting the bananas, I was just doing an experiment. So this was around COVID time, around 2020. A friend said their cousin is selling. So I got interested. I said, what would happen if I grew a few bananas around my house? So they grew. Here is what we have done. So I've covered the top of the sack with that. See? And usually my grandmother would tie the sack I the star. I don't have Jomangida, so I'm just going to do this. And I'll put this in a warm place around the corner here. There. So with the warmth that's coming out from the fire and the whatever that I put in, then in a few days it will be ready. Until the next one. Bye.